Good morning students. We will continue 4.4 second sum first part. First sum we have already done. So here statement is find the value of k for which the quadratic equation have two equal roots. तो आपने k की वैल्यू निकाली है जिसके लिए given pair of linear quadratic equation have equal roots. So value of a is 2, b is k, c is 3. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. K square, a's value 2, c's value is 3. So this is k square minus 24. As you know, it has equal roots. Since it has equal roots, quadratic equation has equal roots. So d equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 24 equal to 0. So this is k square minus under root 24 whole square. So it is k plus under root 24, k minus under root 24 equal to 0. K plus under root 24 equal to 0. K equal to minus under root 24. 2 into 2 into 6. So this is minus 2 under root 6. Or k minus under root 24 equal to 0. K equal to under root 24. This is 2 under root 6. Similarly, in the second part if you solve kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Value of a is k, value of b is minus 2k, value of c is 6. So d is b square minus 4ac. Minus 2k का whole square, a's value is k, c's value is 6. 4k square minus 24k. So when d equal to 0, 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 4k common, k minus 6 equal to 0. K equal to either 0 or k comes out to be equal to 6. K equal to 0 will be rejected because in that case this will no longer be a quadratic equation. So k equal to 6 is the answer. It is rejected. Because in that case it will no longer be a quadratic equation. So in both the parts what we have done, we have calculated the value of k. So here a is 2, b is k, c is 3. So d equal to b square minus 4ac. This is k square minus 4 into a's value is 2, c's value is 3. So this is k square minus 24. So it has equal roots. So when there is equal root, d is always equal to 0. So k square minus 24 equal to 0. So a square minus b square. So k plus under root 24 into k minus under root 24 equal to 0. K equal to minus under root 24, that is minus 2 under root 6. K equal to under root 24, this is equal to 2 under root 6. Similarly, kx square minus 2kx plus 6. So similarly we can solve it for d, then make equal to d equal to 0 because it has equal roots. If equal and repeated root, then d is always 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. 4k common, k minus 6, so k is 0 and k is 6. Similarly, now we will solve sum number 3rd. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find the length and breadth. क्या एक रेक्टेंगुलर मैंगो ग्रूव होता है कोई गार्डन, उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ दी हुई है और एरिया भी दिया है, रेक्टेंगुलर मैंगो ग्रूव बनाना है, पॉसिबल हो सकता है? थर्ड सम है तो लेंथ ब्रेड्थ का डबल है, लेट ब्रेड्थ ऑफ rectangular mango grove that is x meter, then length of rectangular mango grove that is 2x meter. So area of rectangular mango grove, that is given 800 meters square. You know area is length into breadth. So length is 2x and breadth is x. X square comes out to be 800 by 2, 400. So x square minus 400 equal to 0. So first question is that, is it possible? Is it possible to solve it for value of x? So this is x square plus 0x minus 400. First you check with the help of discriminant whether it is possible or not. A1, B0, C minus 400. So D is B square minus 4AC. 0 square, A's value 1, C's value minus 400. So D is positive. So D greater than 0. So it has equal and real roots. So this situation is possible. So x equal to minus 0 plus minus under root 1600, A's value 1, 0 plus minus 40 upon 2. Once it will be 20, in other case it will be minus 20. Minus 20 rejected. So breadth of rectangle is 20 meter and length of rectangle 40 meter. So you have to do these kind of sums only with the help of quadratic formula.